welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to know if someone only sends you a Snapchat. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to know if someone has some snaps sent to you only on Snapchat, you will need to check your chat history or view your added me list. So if you are in a chat with someone who sent you a snap, but it's not in your saved chat or group chat, it's likely they sent you a one-time snap that has already expired. So if you have not been added to any group, or if you have not been in contact with that person and something specific has been sent to you, like in Snap, something specific might be included or a chat can be delivered. So that is a sign to know that if that person has only sent you that particular Snapchat. So by doing this, you can let yourself know that you have only been sent the snap and others have not been sent it in their Snapchat added list. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.